Oh, look at that. It's a train. Hello. Ladies and gents, we're back on the vlog. And we passed the train. And the carcass of a dead animal. And look at those towns. We're chilling. Look at these lakes. Look at these rivers. Route 9D does not disappoint. .9d.com. Yeah, we're 66 miles away from Brooklyn, so we still got 2 hours to go. The time does not seem to be going down. The distance is going down, but the time is still at 2 hours. At some point we'll drop below 2 hours, I hope. No promises. Right now we're passing the town of Cold Spring. I don't know if I've been here before, but it looks kind of nice. Jay live here. Right? No, that would expose him. His witness protection officer would not like that. I don't know. Hello. Nice bike, bro. Or sis, sorry. Oh, look at this. Freaking BMW drivers can't drive for dicks. Oh, look at that. Oh man, I can't believe I said that on the vlog. Can't drive for dicks. Good lord. I can't believe I said that. That's rude. They can't drive for dick. That's what they drive for. Look at that. We got gas stations, Dunkin' Donuts. We got all the things. Keeping it street. BMW drivers, 2 thumbs down, 1 star. 1 star, can't drive. All the BMW drivers just unsubscribed. 1 star. 1 star. BMW drivers unsubscribed from my vlog just now. I just lost like half the subs. This fucking guy. What is this fucking jerk? Not even a real bike. Oh shit, that's pretty dope. Not bad at all. I know. He don't care. DJ don't care. I know. 1 star. 1 star. He's going 36 and 40, this piece of potato. We're gonna have to pass him. As soon as we see it. Oh, now he's speeding up. Nah. Yeah, for sure. Well, it's alright, we're going 44 and 40. At least it's reasonable. Yeah, it's gorgeous. Fucking crazy little bus. Yeah. What is this town? Nobody knows the name of this town. Campaign Furniture. B-A-N-A-N-A-S. Well, we officially have under 2 hours to go. Yay. Finally. Yeah, the temperature's a little cool. It was 62 degrees at the last gas station. But it actually, yeah, it's not so bad. I could be a touch warmer, but I could also zip up my vents on the back of my jacket. No, I don't trust you. Because you're a bully. You would. Jay would. You don't have cruise control. You do? Oh, really? Your bike has cruise control? Oh, dude, I'm kidding. I'm shocked. Aftermarket. Oh, shit. Shots. Making fun of my bike. These kids. That's why I don't go camping with other people, because they always make fun of my bike. Oh, look at this Rossi turn. The Honda is moving alright. Yeah, he's stressed out. He's like trying to get away. St. Basil Academy. Good lord. Word up, yo. I sure do. I got a fire going too. This is nice. Nice area. Goddamn. That's fucking beautiful. No, no, no. It's alright. I think certain things are about to slow down. There might be a town coming up. No, I got you, bro. You would. Jay would. Split it right down the middle. Down the middle. Oh, look at this. Pizza cafe. Ooh. Oh. Ooh. I'd get a stromboli and a chicken parm. I'd get a chicken parm hero, a stromboli, and a slice, and 4 garlic nuts, and an ice cream. Town of Garrison. That also sounds familiar. Yeah, no milkshake. That's Jay. That's Jay's fucking wheelhouse. So we're just going straight. I'll shake your shake. What's going on over here? Some sort of situation. Alright, we're going straight here. The Waze is telling me to take a left, but we're gonna stay on 9. Yeah, I heard of these things, but it's okay. Yeah. This guy, he's lived there. Yeah, we're gonna go through Cortland. Cortland is like right above Bronx, isn't it? No. Maybe. Anyway, we're going straight. We've got 61 miles to go. We're gonna be alright. Hello. Oh, look at this. It's a golf course. Imagine getting hit with a golf ball in the face. Fucking. Right? Right? We could. Launch those things. Jump them. Right? Definitely you, Jay. You got the dirt bike. Yamaha dirt bike. Oh. Right? Oh no, my Waze is confused again. What are you doing? Why? No, it's fine. It's 40 miles per hour here. We could pass her, but you know, it's alright. Well, I'm just, you know, I have special circumstances at the moment. Just relaxing. A little hungover, you know. That too. Baby wipes. It's funny that it's telling me it's gonna take like 2 hours to go 60 miles. Well, we're doing like wild, crazy back shit. And no, Bear Mountain is on the right, on the other side of the river. Oh, right, on the other side, yeah. But it's still 40 here, so. I'm recording, good. That's a beautiful little area. My Waze kind of stopped working. Which one is that? The market? Oh, I don't know that place. Yeah, I don't have Waze anymore. It just stopped working. Great. They just gave up on me after I rerouted it like 30 times. Yeah. It's alright. We know where we're going. We're just going down. We literally have like Metro North next to us. If we follow it, we end up at Grand Central. We'll be okay. Where is it? Huh. Nice. Note to self, don't let DJ borrow your phone or the iPod. I know, right? People is balling. I'm gonna get on Route 6 in a second. Because 9 actually goes across the river. And then we're gonna catch 9 again. Yeah, 6 is that twisty little road, that's right. Oh, I hope there's no traffic there, and I hope my GoPro doesn't die. Because that road is twisty as fuck. Route 6. You know what I'm talking about. It's a tiny, tiny little road. We'll see. We'll be there in a couple miles. Alright. Yeah, when we see Bear Mountain Bridge, we'll pull over. Right before it. See Route 6 coming up. Probably another 5 miles. Maybe I can reset my Waze too. A what? Yeah. Too big. Can't split that. Too much wood. Hey, come on. I was hoping DJ would grow up on this camping trip, but nope. Nope. Can't do it. DJ won't. Yeah, Jay would. Jay have. Jay lived there, got the t-shirt. Yeah. Only for like a year though. Yeah, he was like slanging steak in like fucking town of Fishkill. You know? Against the advice of his father. No, Dad. Yeah, that's okay. I think there's going to be a turn to the left because that's Bear Mountain Bridge coming right up. So we might have to pull over soon. Well, we're going to see a huge bridge and then we'll just pull off. It's going to be on the right. We won't miss it. I think right after this turn maybe. Yeah, I can zip up my back. True. Town of Cortland. Is this the bridge? Alright, pull over to the right, in front of that car. In front of that Jeep. Yeah, right there, boy. Right there, boy. Yeah. Let's actually pull up closer behind that van and take pictures. A little bit. Just like this right there. Alright, no, we're here. We're good. Gorgeous. Beautiful. Beautiful situation. Get out of my shot, Jay, you son of a bitch. It's a Ducati shoot, okay?